Is it time to buy or sell AGM Group Holdings Class A stock? In this video, we will explore AGM Group Holdings Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of April 2025, our system has categorized AGM Group Holdings Class A as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.94. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has not met our expectations, resulting in a loss of 23.58%. This translates to an average loss of 11.79% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned near the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $0.118 may first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also signal the initial signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 89% in the negative direction over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss of capital to approximately negative 87.36%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 24.70%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 89.94% to 1,202% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $0.0103 and $1.33. Our latest daily update for AGM Group Holdings Class A includes the headline, Significant Movements in AGM Group Holdings Inc. Class A stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 79.65% between high and low. The AGM Group Holdings Class A stock price decreased by 23.58% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, dropping from 0.134 to 0.102. During that trading day, the stock varied by 79.65%, with a low of 0.085 and a high of 0.153. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days but has still risen by 196.81% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock movements. On that day, trading volume fell by 2 billion shares, with a total of 247 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $25.3 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $2.19, while the lowest was $0.0218. Currently, the price is 95.32%, or $2.09, below the 52-week high, and 99.03%, or $10.44, below the all-time high recorded on the 22nd of November, 2021, when it peaked at $10.54. AGM Group Holdings Inc. has encountered significant challenges after receiving a staff determination notice from NASDAQ regarding potential delisting due to its Class A ordinary shares trading below the threshold of 10 cents for 10 consecutive days. This situation has led to a suspension of trading that began on April 10, 2025, unless the company successfully appeals the decision. In the short term, this news may negatively impact AGMH's stock price, as uncertainties surrounding its listing status typically induce investor anxiety. The delisting process can result in reduced liquidity and diminished stock visibility, making it less appealing to institutional investors and traders seeking stable investments. Over the long term, the company's ability to navigate this crisis will be crucial. If AGMH successfully appeals the delisting and implements a strategy to enhance its share price, it could restore investor confidence and stabilize or potentially improve its market position. Conversely, failure to address these issues could lead to a further decline in stock performance, eroding shareholder value and trust in management. Overall, AGMH's immediate focus will be on addressing Nasdaq's concerns and rebuilding its market reputation. Analysts have assigned AGM Group Holdings Class A stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for AGM Group Holdings Class A. The AGM Group Holdings Incorporated Class A stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of 0.0628 and 0.0633. A drop below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. There are also some negative signals that could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 23.58%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 88 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 79 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for AGM Group Holdings, Class A. AGM Group Holdings Incorporated, Class A, finds support from accumulated volume at 0.102, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is prone to significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0677, which is equivalent to 79.65%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 71.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for AGM Group Holdings Class A, let us briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important indicator assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AGM Group Holdings Class A. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for AGM Group Holdings Class A is at $0.105. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, AGM Group Holdings Class A faces its first support level at $0.102. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.0966, a decrease of 5.64%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Recently, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is AGM Group Holdings Class A stock a good buy? AGM Group Holdings Incorporated Class A presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold onto their shares or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we anticipate that AGM Group Holdings Class A will open higher by 11 one-thousandths of a dollar, commencing trading at 113 one-thousandths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.